Hey everyone, today I bring you the 0 Hour EDC pouch by Zero Hour LLC. This was another Kickstarter I had backed a little bit ago, and they actually delivered quite fast during the pandemic. They were right on everything. This is an expandable pouch for everyday carries. You got yourself here. I got it some stuff in it obviously already. This webbing part for, pens, cords, cords and, USB drives, any other little adapters and whatnot like that. A nice little middle pouch here for whatever you want to put in there. Loose things that can't be fit in anywhere else. And it kind of acts like a separator between the two halves so they're not touching and clanging each other. Got a couple cords in here, which I'll put off to the side, and I got a power bank in here. I'm still figuring out what I want to put in this. Got all these nice, very sturdy elastic straps in here. Very well made. Pocket back there, that's where I keep my charger. All this material is like very, very well made. I can't remember the denier on this exactly. I think it was like 600 denier. Can't remember exactly. And also, like I said, is expandable. So it has a compression right here. You downsize it. Oh, and it has the molly straps on the back too. So if you want to put it into webbing, you can do that as well. All in all, I'm very happy with it. They have nice zipper loops, good and sturdy. They could have had one on this too, but oh well, not a big deal to me. You can also detach this middle part too, if you want, just, put it on belt or whatever. Or you can attach it to either side. All I gotta really say about this is it's very well constructed. They used good materials. They have excellent customer service. I think the bag itself is made in China, but you know what? Most stuff today is, and then shipped over here. That's all really I gotta say about this. It's well made. There's lots of little spaces for everything. They have this gray, khaki brown. I think they have olive green. I think they have a camo version too. I'm going to leave a link to their website in the description below, so you can go check it out for yourself. I'll also leave their Kickstarter in there too, so you can go read some of the comments and whatnot and see how the project went, which is a really good way to gauge if you actually want to buy from a company or not. Other than that, this is the 0 Hour EDC pouch from 0 Hour LLC. Made a good job on Kickstarter, and you should go check out their website and get one for yourself because they are worth it. It is literally one of the best made pouches I've had so far. Oh, and yeah, you got this spot up here too if you want to stick a patch or two on it. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and I will be back again with another video. And if you like my video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to keep up with my content, because I'll be putting up more and more, and I'm trying to get better on the camera so I don't sound so silly. And with your guys' help subscribing, I can grow bigger and get a bit better at what I'm doing. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.